Hey guys, it's Bethany from Be Sassy Stickers. Welcome back, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new here, please subscribe and maybe like, give it a thumbs up, or maybe a comment if you feel like it. I'm going to be doing a memory plan in my recollections again. And we're going to be using this super cute kit from Nicole Alexia Designs that I saved for the week of July 4th. It's kind of a barbecue, 4th of July. Oh, these are so cute. I love. I have never used one of her kits before, so I'm super anxious to see how it lays out. So that's the kit, and I'm going to bring in gold foil since it's gold foiled. I have a lot of headers in here, so I don't know if I'm going to use these, but I have them. And this is stuff from Honey Ink that was extra. So that's where we're at. I'm going to speed this up while I lay down the base here, and then I'll come back for the day-to-day. Okay? Thanks for watching and sticking around. Happy 4th of July. Okay guys, hey, we're back. So we're going to be doing the day by day here for the last week of June and the first week of July through July 4th. So on this Monday, I laid down a vine that I printed from the Planner Shack, and then I used a flag from the kit and a YouTube binge sticker because that is what I did on Monday. I did mostly, there's a nap time, a YouTube binge, and then the rest of the day I spent filming because that literally takes all day.
And I put some little honey ink little starlets around the outside, kind of, symbolizing, the 4th of July. This kit has so many great boxes and different shapes and fancy boxes, and it's so cute. I have never used a kit from Nicole Alexia Designs before, but I'm really liking it. I'm definitely going to get another one and try it. I love this one. This one is called Cookout, I believe. And I love the colors. The red, the blue, the yellow, a little bit of a purplish gray. And I thought I was going to have a really hard time pulling in stickers for this kit because I don't have a lot of red. I have some blues, but they're not the right color blues. But there was so much to work with the kit that I found that I didn't really need to pull in too many extra little stickers. The ones I did pull in were mostly gold and white, so they matched, but occasionally I had some red stickers or blue stickers, like the YouTube one I can finally use because it's red, and my little blue Planner Pixie Co. girl with her Etsy upload. I'm sorry, not Etsy, Instagram upload. Very cute. And then these oh, by the way, if there's anything that you want to know, where a sticker came from, if I like it, if it's a printable, or if I bought it, just let me know if you have any questions down in the comments, and I will be more than happy to let you know as quickly as I can where I got anything from. And if you hear a little coughing in the background, that is my little Bichon Frise Woodrow. We just got back from a walk, and he's got a little bit of cough in his throat. But these little bowstrung boxes, how cute. And this fancy box up top with the garland, that was already on there. I just put a little foiled computer that I printed from Mother with Daughter Designs, and a work sticker that came in a simply gilded sub box. And that car is from Planning Like a Pro. And then the next day I put down grocery shopping because I do a lot of that, so it seems to go in my planner a lot. But look how cute this Teddy Plans Happy Mail red. She's standing next to the Happy Mail box, and it's obviously from England because we don't have those kind of mailboxes here, but I thought that was so cute. I really love the way this kit came together. If anybody else has used this kit, let me know. Comment down below. I'd love to go check it out and see what it looks like. I hope everybody had a great 4th of July. We did. We went out like around 11 o'clock when they started shooting off all the fireworks off of the stratosphere and the resort world. And we walked our dogs, and while we were walking them, we had the perfect view of the strip, so we got to see the entire show, and the dogs were happy, and it was just great. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked this, please subscribe. It really helps me out. Maybe give a thumbs up and come back, subscribe, okay? Thank you so much. I hope you had a great holiday weekend, and thank you so much for watching. And please come back for my next memory plan with me. And if you have any suggestions for other types of planners you want me to try out, let me know down below, okay? Thanks again, everybody. Have a happy 4th of July and a great week. Okay, bye.